A company devises a genius way to eliminate the most annoying thing about drinking hot coffee. And it took about 3 years. Oh, it's called the Good Cup. Yeah, I sent you this one, Will. Mm-hmm. Everybody's all about these different designs and whatnot for sustainability and things. And like one of my favorite places actually had, for a moment, it had one of those biodegradable straws that still felt like plastic.
Okay, yeah.
And then they changed to the full paper, and I was just like, oh, paper straws, man.
Yeah, you were offended immediately.
I don't know. I just got to feel like there's a way. For me, it's more like the Tesla approach, which is don't guilt people into something. Just make a better one. Just figure it out. And like the Tesla approach was, oh, it's the fastest car in the world. Yeah. That's all it is. Oh, you thought electric was like puny and sucky? Well, guess what? It's really fast. And then everyone's like, whoa. And then immediately you converted everyone. So if you design a cup, straw, whatever, that's actually better than the other one and sustainable or whatever, then people don't mind. They give you a few bucks for it, Will.
Yeah.
Like if you spend a little extra, if they feel that it's superior, if you give them the guilt trip of the crap product and you're like, nope, you're forced to use it, then the people have resentment and they go, I just want the old one back. And then it doesn't get upheld. Uh-huh. Anyway, this is a new cup design that doesn't need a plastic lid, but it actually looks feasible and good, like possibly even an improvement. And I'll tell you why, because of the way that it closes, I don't think it's going to be leaky.
Okay.
I don't know for sure, but look at this. You can put a little sugar in there. And the lid is really the issue, I guess, sustainability-wise on the coffee cup, which there's 1,000 of them out. Look at you can sip right from there like that.
Isn't it hot?
What are you talking about hot? It's
like
insulated.
The coffee. Is it double layered?
Come on, Will. What are you talking about? Didn't you go to McDonald's? You see the dual wall going on?
I'm a big fan of that. I like the coffee cup tech.
You wouldn't want to hurt the coffee, though, would you?
No, never.
Goodbye plastic lids. Say hello to the Good Cup. You can order samples right now. Look, I don't know. They say it's compostable at home. Is that real? Like, to what extent?
All paper, right?
Well, they said the same thing to me about the straw. They go, oh, it's compostable. And then somebody else comes along and they goes, oh, actually, it's made of corn. It's going to take too long. It'll never be compostable. Like, sure, if you give it like 20 years. And I'm just like, And they started kicking me with their footprints.
Yeah, gave you the boot.
Anyway, I just like interesting and innovative design. And for me, it's like, okay, you have one item instead of two. And you don't need to worry about the lid. And they found a nice fancy fold to it. And I know you're worried about heat. Over here, look at the tiny little mouthpiece. And you have no seam, really.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this.
Okay. There we go, man. Finally, I got you.
I like cup tech.
Perfect for hot and cold beverages. Easy to fold, assemble, and lock. Secure lid locking and spill-proof design. Because also, some of these lids, they don't go on right, and you're dripping out the side. I've seen it happen. You've seen it happen.
It's the worst.
Because you got the seam there.
Yeah.
And if the lid is placed on close to where the seam is, you're catching a drip, and it's a dribble. You don't want it. Mm-hmm. Integrated sip hole for drinking experience, 100% paper with aqueous coating. No plastic, so it's some sort of sustainable coating in there so it doesn't come through. Fully recyclable, home compostable, cost-saving opportunity. I don't know. Someone says all smoke and mirrors. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It's possible that it actually sucks. I'm sure there's some major shortcoming here. But when it comes to packaging and innovation and stuff, I can't help but get interested in it. I just think, oh, maybe there is some other way to do it. And, paper with waterproof coating is not recyclable. I don't know. Maybe it's plant-based.
Agri coating?
Yeah, maybe it's plant-based.
Yeah.
People are pissed. They're like, no chance. People are saying no chance. People are saying no chance, which I get, change, and it's weird. And
maybe it's a step in the right direction.
I could see it having issues, but I don't feel like it's impossible, the one-piece cup. I don't know why that is. I don't think it's impossible. Maybe it's not exactly this design. Maybe somebody else wants to take a crack at it.
Someone in the audience?
Yeah, go ahead. If everybody's so smart, then go ahead and take a crack. But like the one-piece cup, it's an interesting idea to me.
Yeah. At least they're trying. We'll see.